Well, by now you've probably seen it firsthand. All across the country, across the valley even, mortgage rates are on the rise, surpassing last year's rates, and they're still climbing. With the Federal Reserve expected to raise rates this year.
Team 12's Josh Sanders spoke with a housing expert on how this could impact the market as Arizonans look to buy a place of their own.
We've been experiencing this absolutely insane market.
Rich LaRue has more than 3 decades of experience in real estate working as a designated broker for HomeSmart professionals in California and Arizona, seeing the housing bubble burst in 2008, then rebound.
This is not 2008. We're not in the same set of circumstances. What we're anticipating will happen in 2022 is maybe the insanity will subside just a little bit, but it's still going to be furious.
The average price for a home in Phoenix is nearly $430,000, according to the National Realtors Association. And LaRue says inventory is down in Greater Phoenix.
Normally, in January, we would have somewhere between 16,000 and 21,000 active listings. Right now, we've got about 5,200.
So what does that mean for Arizona home buyers with predicted mortgage rates this year averaging between 3.3 and 3.9%, according to mortgage forecasters, up from last year when a 30-year fixed rate was a record low of 2.65%, according to Freddie Mac.
What we're anticipating is a slight rise in interest rates. It may slow the market a bit. So a rise in interest rates will certainly get the attention of buyers who are sitting on the fence, and it will be time to jump in the market.
And what about prices? Last year, up an average of 32% in Phoenix.
What we anticipate is maybe a 1.1 to a 1.3 per month increase, which is a 12 to a 15% increase for 2022, which is still, a good, strong market.
For the first-time home buyer, what advice would you give them right now?
I would advise them to buy a home as soon as it's practical for them. Even if prices flatten out over the next 5 years, they're going to gain equity.
Josh Sanders, 12 News.